LaCroix.
An Oregon district attorney is calling for changes to the state's sanctuary laws after prosecution of 3 different high-profile crimes in his county have run into roadblocks. Washington County DA Kevin Barron says suspects in an aggravated murder investigation and 2 child sex abuse cases have left the country, meaning justice can't be served for the victims. Barton says the federal government refuses to take the steps to extradite the suspects because doing so would violate Oregon's sanctuary laws. Those laws have been on the books since the 1980s and ban local law enforcement agencies from helping federal authorities with immigration enforcement. They were then strengthened in 2021.
Federal government would no longer allow us to proceed forward and extradite folks unless we signed a letter that was contrary to Oregon law. And that created some difficulties.
That letter would require the DA and sheriff to share certain information with federal immigration officials, which is not allowed under the state sanctuary law. Barton says the feds did help with one case last year, but then told the DA's office they wouldn't do it again. So Barton is calling for changes to the state law, specifically dealing with extraditing suspects who flee to different countries.
We know where they are. Where the countries where they're hiding, we know their location, and we just need to be able to move this bureaucratic paperwork forward so we can extradite them back.
In short term, Barton says he's working to work against the Fed, hoping he's to work with the feds once again to find another workaround that follows state law. So far, the Department of Justice has declined to comment about the situation.